Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is the $500 postcard cash machine. The $500 postcard cash machine is absolutely unbelievable, people. When you join, first of all, not only when you join the 500 postcard cash machine, you're going to get the 250, the 100, the 50, and the 25 free. It only costs you $1,000 to join. Uh, it would cost you 2,000. As you can see, there are two flyers or two spaces. Excuse me, uh, with free space, so you don't have to pay full price. And also, here's the front of it. And all you got to do is join, get your postcards cut. You can either go. We'll tell you where to do that at. But like I said, it only gonna cost you $1,000 to join. And people are having so much success with this postcard cash machine. And let me reiterate again that you're gonna get the 250, the 100, the 50, and the 25 when you join. When you also join, you're gonna get your marketing kit and of course your camera ready postcard templates. This is what the front looks like, as you can see right here. And then what I just showed you at the beginning of the video was the back. All you got to do is either go to Office Max / Office Depot, or you can go to our printing services, which we will give you in the marketing kit or whatnot. And you just join, you send me 500, you send the monitor 500, and then you got the two free spaces. I can't reiterate enough about duplication. All you do is mail every week on a consistent basis, and you get your downline to do the same thing, and that's it. Duplication is the key to a successful, powerful mailing team, and that's all you got to do. And then that's all they got to do when they get people joining under them. Your downline, it's just rinse and repeat. It's no reinventing the wheel or whatnot or nothing like that. But these things can create massive leverage if you guys do that and mail on a consistent basis. I tell people all the time, just imagine your name on thousands of flyers or tens of thousands of flyers, each with the chance of making $500 a pop. I mean, do you know how powerful that is? And then every time they join a higher level, they're going to get all the other lower levels free, and they're going to be under you in those. That's why people need to join the $500 postcard cash machine, because they're going to be under you in the 250, the 100, the 50, and the 25. And they're going to get their camera ready postcard templates. They're going to get a guide about how to approach mail order if they've never been in the business before. And it's just a win-win. And everybody's duplicating and everybody's on the same page and everybody is mailing consistently. I mean, I say mail every week, but hey, if you got the budget to do it, mail every day. Nothing but good. All of this stuff converts that I promote, by the way. I don't promote bull. This stuff really converts. If you somebody that's out there skeptical, I've been doing this 11 years, mail order 11 years. I've been marketing online 11 years, since 2007. I was researching years and years before that, and before that I was in sports. I didn't really have time to, do it like I do it now. So, with that being said, I highly suggest you join the postcard cash machine, the 500 or whatnot. And what I'm going to do is put a link to my brand new blog. Once you go there and click on that link, I want you to go to my mail order programs page. Now, also, I want you to check out my Snap program because that will help with you guys' posters in your mailing campaign. You definitely want to throw that opportunity in there with this and all the other postcard cash machines and all my other mail order stuff because that will offset a lot of cost because most people don't complain about the envelope, buying the envelopes and the leads. They mostly complain about the postage because it's so expensive. That's the most expensive part of doing direct mail and mail order marketing campaigns. So I'm gonna put a link below. Click on my mail order programs tab. Click on the other stuff on my blog too, and check all of that other stuff out. And make sure you subscribe to my video. Uh, Click that notification bell to the right of the subscribe button on YouTube. And look, $500 postcard cash machine. What more can I say to you? It's all about duplication. But guess what? Everything I said, it don't mean jack. It don't mean nothing. It don't mean anything if you don't take action and get things started and change your life for you and your family. So I'm just gonna put that last little note on y'all. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.